Today we're showing you a 2017 New Holland Workmaster 70 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has a New Holland 621 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor's like new. It's got just under 400 hours on it. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2019. It's got the skid steer carrier quick attach for your bucket. 6-foot bucket. Looks brand new. It's a heavy duty bucket. It's got the grill guard in the front. Tires are in excellent condition. Paint's in excellent condition, as you can see. Factory joystick here for the loader. Foldable rollover bar. 14.9/28 rear tires are in excellent condition. Tractor has a telescopic rear 3-point arms, stabilizer bars. It has dual rear hydraulics, which is hard to find on these tractors. 540 PTO, top link goes with it. Rear work light, toolbox back here. Just a very clean, very nice tractor. Nice size tractor to handle bales or do chores, anything like that. It's got the mechanical shuttle up here on the dash, which is synchronized. Left of the seat, you've got your high-low range lever for your transmission. Got your four-wheel drive engagement lever down here beside the seat. PTO engagement also here to the left of the seat. To the right, you've got your main transmission stick. You got 4 gears in the tractor with the high-low over here. Gives you a total of 8 speeds. Also here to the right, you've got your 3-point and hydraulic levers to operate your rear hydraulics. Got the joystick there for your loader. Individual brakes, foot throttle. Very nice tractor, and again, the 2017 has factory warranty until September 28th of 19, so it's got lots of warranty left on it. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing on our equipment. The tractor also will be inspected in our shop prior to delivery, so you can buy with confidence.